Hello viewers, today we are going to show you how to insert a table in Word. If this is your first time on this our channel, please look down your video, you see a subscription button and you click on that, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to always notify you when we drop a new video. Yes, so let's continue. Today we are doing how to insert a table in Word. How is it done? It is easy and simple. After watching this video, you would never have a problem in inserting a table on Word. First of all, you have to look through your menu bar. And in the menu bar, you have to look out for Insert. So here is my insert. Follow my cursor attentively, please. Here is my insert, and I'll click on insert. And when you click on insert, you look out for table. You look out for what? Table. And here is table. Simple as that. Click on the table and there will be a drop down menu for you to follow. We are just going to do it step by step and easy way for you. If you are going to draw a table, you need to know the number of columns and the number of rows you want the table to contain. So we are going to draw a table that contains 4 columns, 4 rows. Let's see how it is going to be. So here we are going to use this method first. The boxes you are seeing here gives us the rows and the columns. Take note, this is the first method we are going to use. I want 4 rows, 4 columns. That is what we are going to draw. That is the table we are going to draw. A table that contains 4 rows, 4 columns. So when you choose to use this format and you place your cursor on a box, it will give you a row. Downwards again will give you another row. Downwards again will give you another row. And downwards up to the end will give you rows. So the cursor moving downwards in this method will keep giving you rows in the first box. But when you move to the right side, it will give you columns. And we said we need columns. How many? 4. We need 4 columns. That is what we said. I'm going to move now. When I move to the right, it will now add my columns. So when I move 1, it will give me 2 columns. When I move 2, it will give me 3 columns. When I move 3, I will now have my 4 columns. Then I will stop there and then click. I hope you see the simple method I have used in inserting a table into my Word. I hope you see it. If you have any problem, you can rewind the video and follow the step over and over again. So I'm going to the next method. If you want to cancel a table, just click on this and then you press backspace and everything will go. Everything in the table will go. So now I'm going for the next method. I'll go to insert again and I'll go to table and I'll now look for insert table. Insert what? Table. So I'll click on insert table, and when you click on insert table, there will be a dialog box that will pop up. And it will be named insert table. Table size. So now, as I said earlier on, you have to know the number of columns and the number of rows you will need in the table. So let's go. I want 4 columns just like I did earlier, and I want 4 rows. So here, what you just need to do is you type the number of columns or rows you want. So I'm typing 4 here. That is 4 columns. And then 4 here. That is 4 rows. Do I need to format anything here? No, I'm not formatting anything here. Auto fit behavior, it is already suitable to what I want to show you today. After you inserted your number of columns and number of rows, you need to do nothing. Don't do anything. The only option here that you may want to use is remember dimensions for new table. Perhaps you want to remember this dimension, the setting that you use in creating your first table to always apply on the next table you are going to create. So when you click on this remember dimensions for new table, it will keep your settings for the next new table. So I'm not going to use that. So now you just proceed to OK. Boom! And we have our table inserted. Just the same thing as the first method we used. This is how we insert our table. And I hope all of you get the method well. So today, that is the only thing we are coming to show you on MRG IT Solutions channel. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question to ask about this, we are always available. Look down your video, you will see the comment box, and please comment and ask questions there for us to respond and make a video on what your questions is about. Please, if you did not subscribe yet, don't forget to look down your video and then you see the subscription button there. Click on it. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to always notify you when we drop a new video. We will continue this session. We will show you how to insert a table manually, how to format your table, how to delete a cell, how to delete a row, and then how to delete columns. Yes, we'll show you that in our next lesson. Thank you so much. Bye.